Andrew Noyce, a driver of the bus Rapid Transport, has been arraigned today, the 22nd of March 2022, by the Lagos State Government for the first time before Justice Sharifa Chunaike of the State High Court sitting at Tafawa Balewa Square. Andrew and others said to be at large were said to have conspired to rape and murder Bamise Ayanwola at about 1900 on the 26th of February 2022 between Lekki-Ajah Expressway and the Carter Bridge in Lagos. Dr. Babajide Martin, who is the Director of Public Prosecutions represented by the Lagos State Government, while Ikechukwu Ezekwem represented the defendants, another counsel, Ayo Ademiluyi, announced his appearance for the Ayanwola family. The charges were read out in English language and interpreted to the defendant in Pidgin English, as he told the court he did not understand English very well. Andrew Noyce is accused of raping another young lady on the 25th of November 2021 along Lekki-Ajah Expressway after the defendant's plea was taken. The judge asked his counsel and the Director of Public Prosecutions representing Lagos State, Dr. Martins, for more information to be included in the case management form. Also, Dr. Martins informed the court that there will be need for the charges against the defendant to be amended and that a post-mortem examination of the deceased was still pending, the result of which would later be added to the proof of evidence already before the court. He also affirmed that the state will require special facilities such as audio and video players for the trial. On the part of the defendants, Justice Chunaike asked his counsel whether they will be considering the option of plea bargain, as Ezekwem said most likely. Reacting to the hearing, the counsel to the Ayawola's family, Ayo Ademiluyi, told journalists that they had rejected the conduct of the autopsy being conducted by the police and the Lagos State Government.
Mother of late Bamise Ayanwola. As for us, we want to also inform that, fortunate enough, the Director of Public Prosecution said they are ready to file additional proof based on post-mortem. You recall that last week we had a press conference where we flatly rejected the autopsy being organized by the police, and then with the person of the Director of the pathologist of Lagos State Government sitting as a pathological judge. Why? Okay, very well. We said, in every sense, Lagos State Government itself is a party to this crime. It has been our contention, and we will so still continue to contend. Then two is the fact that as a party to the crime, Lagos State Government cannot have an appointee sitting as a pathological judge. They can observe, and that is why we said we are assembling a team of professors of pathology to observe on our own right. Then two is that we have also said that we have also been educated about the fact that the nature of the criminal transaction that happened to Bamise Ayanwola is of rape and murder toxicology. And there are 3 medical associations that can speak to rape and murder toxicology, and that is the Canadian Medical Association, the American Medical Association, and the British Medical Association. So we are writing to these 3 leading medical associations to provide international observers at the pathological anatomy of the late Bamise Ayanwola.
Ademiluyi further said it is the opinion of the pathologist that will confirm whether certain parts of Ms. Ayanwola's body were removed during a hurdle on the BRT bus she was thrown off.
It cannot be headed by anybody, because in medicine, in forensic medicine, we have been so educated by consultants that each pathologist is entitled to his opinion. So, of course, the autopsy reports by the pathologist authorized by the Attorney General will be entertained by the court as far as the coroner law of Lagos is concerned. But at least we have a robust and comprehensive multi-dimensional pathological opinion from different consultants across the world. Then one other fact is that the Director of Public Prosecution has also said they may likely amend this charge.
After the information had been provided, the case was therefore adjourned to the night, 10th and 11th of May 2022 for trial to begin fully, and the defendant was ordered to be further remanded at the Nigerian Correctional Center, Ikoyi, Lagos State.